In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a administration user account on Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to go ahead to the search menu, type in user, and then at the left side of the menu, you can go ahead, click on other users as you can see here. After that, you will access the user settings. Now to add another user, just click on add account. As you can see, this is another user I have. Just click on Add Account. After that, this page will pop up for you. Now, if you want to continue without signing in, without email, just click on I don't have the person's signing information, then just wait. And you can see here two options to get a new email address or to add a user without a Microsoft account. In my case, this is what I am going to be choosing. So I am going to click on it. And here you can choose the PC name. For example, this one, password, then click on Next. And now the account has been created. To make it administrator, just click on Change Account Type. Go and change to administrator right here. When you click on it, just click on OK, and you should be good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.